was a ghost, I was alone. towards in.
Zanele, sit down.
Mrs. Nan.
It has come to my attention that you are pregnant. I've also discussed this with the school social worker. You had enough time to disclose this, but you chose to keep quiet. You chose to keep this baby. We don't keep mamas here. We teach young girls. It's a school policy.
My mom will kill me.
You should have thought about that before enjoying it. You are dismissed from this school. Take this letter and give it to your parents. I don't ever want to see your big belly here.
Lalela phela angazi ngakujongela mhlambe la eduze ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ayikuse sikile nhle sikubonisa ama flames mfana. Lalela phela ngibethi sinoko la ngithola ngifuna ungixovele sona ngifekele sona enkundleni ongimashisele sona lapho ke mfethu sinawe shayisa akasiba crack.
What package? Mama uyazi sisesikoleni so angene career guide.
Lalela phela la
Hayibo.
ngishanjisile
Ama drugs
kusayini kusibani kama lakho
wezanele and angwadayisa ama drugs.
Lalela masethi mfowethu manje into esimple mfana ngithola okwakho ukuthi wena mfethu ungena enkundleni ungishisela le nombolo ngibamba inika cova wena uyaphushela enkundla ngibamba usebenzisela ngokuthi siba mnandi siyabhalansa
Ngiyaqonda ukuthi soba nemali every day.
hayi mfethu phela le ushanise ngikhuluma ngayo nje manje ngithola into esimple azithunani wena kusasa ngikuthole la mina ngibambele sinoko leso ngifakela sona enkundleni siba mnandi kusasa mfethu
Okay.
ngibamba azini yabona nekusasa sana
Okay.
sharp yes
Shall I don't shall like them check? Yes. Sugar mama in the Maybach. Yes. They say for me, came for my baby. Superstar me ain't first say. Yes. Don't my message shall I patch I phone in love bong and he patch I was never spoon for melon sevens. Wake up learn them melo test had to put in the work, melon holiday low. I'm trying to bench, melon calling a low. My lips are cool me spanning a low.
Yazilanta yakho ilahlekile.
uthi kunjani
Ngifake esikhwameni ukuthi ngiye toilet.
mfethu ubuzana ibusiness nikhuluma ngathi iphesa khedi izaka into engikhuluma ngala mfethu uzolehlanga kanjani lento ngizosola kulo mfethu wena ngizokhipha ama-drugs sami yazo stop it ngane yami ngithi ngipaka imoto lapha ngibona lo mfana eqini yini umenzeni
Ngiyamqalela.
ngisho ngathiwa kunjalo akamele ukwenza lento ayenzayo awuyile ngane esikoleni
Oshile 3 days ago. Ngoba ngathola ukuthi ngikhulelwa. Futhi ngiyamsaba uma ngizongifama ngakhona. Baba wami oshiya thanyela kodwa.
manje lo mfana yena yini ndaba eqini
Ungikhuthile ukuthi ngimdayisele ama-drugs akhe manje kwalahlile.
Uma ulidinga awuhlala kabili awuhlala kathathu bese uyale ukusishi.
Good afternoon Mrs. Nana.
Good afternoon, Mr. Gabela. Thank you for coming. But why are you with this girl? She was dismissed from the school a few days ago.
Her father was a family friend. I've invited her for a specific reason.
No, Mr. Gabela. This is a private meeting. We need to discuss important issues here.
Can you please sit down?
Mayelana nalokho, as you know that your school is a semi-public school, you require funds to pay extra teachers and also other activities.
I'm the one who wrote that proposal to you, together with the SGP chairperson.
And I've decided to accept your proposal.
Thank you, Lord.
Wait, you'll thank him on Sunday. There is one condition though. Her constitutional right to education must be restored. You have to take her back to the school immediately. Thank you, Principal. It was nice meeting you.
Yeah.